Hey guys, Doe'n here with another video. I'm here to show you guys on how to make Chinese dumplings. Hit the like button, subscribe, hit that bell, please. Subscribe. Stay tuned to find out how to make those dumplings. So, here we start off with the pile of dough. Giant pile. Then a little bit of flour. Well, you take the flour and some yeast and you put it in the cooker for about an hour and a half-ish. And then back to here. Then, as you can see here, roll it out. Maybe add a tiny bit more flour so then it doesn't stick to the rolling pin. Get ready for some ingredients in there. We added ground pork, coleslaw, mushrooms, sesame oil, soy sauce, and then just put it in there, like so. And, oh yeah, we also added chives. So, fold it like so and make some little pinches at the edges. Dumplings, yay. Now with the other dumplings. Okay, we're back. Mom's grabbing these last few dumplings. So we have about 8 in the top pan and 8 in these bottom pan. Okay. So then you want to steam it for 20 minutes. And yeah. If you do have leftovers, like I do, as you can see here, just cook them up and eat them with the dumplings. Tip: using vinegar with the dumplings reduces the chance of a heart attack. 20 minutes is about done, yeah. So they're looking very good. And just put them on the table. Voila! And enjoy your food. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.